Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today we're going to talk about subordinating conjunctions in our Learning to Write program. To get started, I click on the topic from our table of contents. And here is a teacher list of subordinating conjunctions that your students may need to use. This is a resource for you that you can use to build your anchor charts, to build your examples for your students. Here is a student page on complex sentences. We use subordinating conjunctions to build complex sentences. It says we can combine simple sentences into complex sentences using subordinating conjunctions. When we use subordinating conjunctions in the middle of a sentence, we don't use a comma. So this is a big difference that your students are going to notice between coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. Okay, when we are combining two simple sentences, we put the subordinating conjunction in the middle. Here is an example answer key. You will definitely want to give your students a list of subordinating conjunctions that they can choose from to complete this activity. Once students have completed their chart, they are ready to write some complex sentences on their own. Notice we don't have a word bank, and that's just because when we combine two simple sentences, there's just so many word combinations. So hopefully you have word banks already up on your walls of topics that you are learning about in science, in social studies, in reading and writing that students can reference in order to build these sentences. Now we can also write complex sentences that start with the subordinating conjunction. The subordinating conjunction is the first word in the sentence. When we do this, we're going to have the subordinating conjunction and then simple sentence 1 and then a comma. And then we will have simple sentence 2. So that comma is really important in separating the two simple sentences and making the complex sentence grammatically correct. Again, we're going to use the same subordinating conjunctions as we did in the previous activity, so you'll want to have that list up for your students to choose from as they are writing these sentences. Here is a suggested answer key. It is not the only right way to combine these sentences into complex sentences. Now students are going to do sentence practice where they are using that subordinating conjunction as the first word in their sentence and using a comma between the two simple sentences. Here are some example complex sentences that you can use to build anchor charts and show your students examples of what it should look like. That is everything on complex sentences for this lesson.